sure, go get some.
Cheerios.
Toss me a box. Can't get this building open.
Here.
Only if I had an easier way to do this. Oh my god, Drake, this has Speed Racer on it. I need something. Give me something to open this.
Okay.
Drake.
You got it.
Yes.
Yes.
5, yes. Yeah.
Now we have to open this. We have to find an easier way.
Let me find it this time.
You find.
Drake, I think we should just do something with this. So
Yes.
no one can ever see it. We'll just go in the basement.
We need to get it out of the wrapper first. And
Oh, stairs. Drake, give me the sleeping bag. Okay. All right. This may work.
May. You ready?
No.
No.
Drake, just walk downstairs.
No. Too much work. Let's go!
Okay.
Yeah, that was awesome. It was much easier.